Hi, my name is Auntie Kongari. Today's topic, I'll be discussing with you how to identify if your skin barrier is damaged. One cause of acne and pimples and many problems that are affecting our skin is a damaged skin barrier. So I'll be discussing with you how to identify it, what to do so that you can repair it. If you find this topic helpful, kindly consider to like, share and subscribe. So stay tuned. Welcome back. One way you can find that your skin barrier is damaged is your skin is very dry. Another thing, your skin is flaky. Yani it looks like it's flaky, ni kama inataka kutoka ngozi. Another thing, it is very insensitive. When you apply anything, you start feeling that itchy feeling. That is another thing. Even if it's something you used to apply, maybe you're doing your skincare routine, or you're washing your face, you start feeling that itchiness. That's another reason you can know your skin barrier is damaged. Maybe if you're a brown person, then you start being red, pinkish on some patches on your skin, and you become, I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. Your skin start being reddish, pinkish. That's another indicator that your skin barrier is damaged. If you maybe from nowhere you start feeling a burning or a stinging sensation, you feel like you need to scratch your face. That's another reason to make you know your barrier has an issue. Okay, another thing is your skin is oily, but it is not producing extra oily. Your face is trying to compensate. No, it turns to be extra oily. That's another big reason you should know that your skin barrier is damaged. What to do? Or what are some of the things that can lead to this? What are some of the things you can lead to a damaged skin barrier? First, maybe when you're cleansing your face, you use very harsh methods. Maybe you are scrubbing. Seriously, you are scrubbing it as if you are punishing your skin. That's another thing. Another reason, maybe the cleansers that you're using, they are very harsh to your skin type. That's another thing. Some people use alcohol. Some people use sensitizers, maybe things like lemon, ACV, the apple cider vinegar. Some people use alcohol on their face. Those are some of the things that can trigger a damaged skin barrier. Another thing is the environmental factor. Also, it can lead to a damaged skin barrier. So what do you do after? Okay, another reason is you use harsh soaps. There are some soaps that will strip all your oils from your face. That's another good reason. So what do you do to prevent these things? So now, what do you do if you have identified that your face has a damaged skin barrier? The first thing, you get rid of soaps that may be causing, maybe reacting to your face, those alkaline soaps. You can use things like, if you're in Kenya, I have had some dermatologists recommending you can use Dove soap. It does not strip your natural oils. Another soap you can use, maybe the Sunlight soap. You can use it. You can use the simple micellar water to cleanse your face. Okay, you can also use the Aqueous cream. You apply it. It does that kasopi thing. You apply it on your face, and you apply it on your face. Then you wash. It has a little foam. It will help with cleansing of your skin. Another thing, after you have cleansed your face, use an emollient. And when I'm talking about an emollient, if you can get an emollient with urea, that's the best. An example of an emollient with urea is the CeraVe urea emollient. Then you apply, after you have applied that emollient, apply something like a humectant, things like glycerin, things that will prevent your skin from losing water to the environment. You apply things, you can apply things like ceramides, You can apply something like aloe. You can apply something like cool water, rose water on your face. Then you apply something else. Even bio oil, you can apply it on your skin. It will act as bio oil, glycerin. They'll act as humectants. One thing you should get when you are repairing your skin barrier, you should get rid of skin actives. At you are repairing your skin barrier, but you're still on your AHAs and what? No. You remove your skin actives. This information that I'm giving you, it is how my dermatologist treated my skin when I had that breakout. She started with treating my skin barrier, and that helped in getting rid of the breakout. Because this skin barrier, you find that you have some small cuts on your face. When those cuts exposes your inner layers to germs and bacteria. That's why you find that maybe if you are producing a lot of oils, that those oils, they'll clog your pores, and in return you'll have acne and pimples. As I was saying, maybe your face has knobs. I said your face being extra oily is one indicator that your skin barrier has an issue. So a lot of oil on your face can lead to clogging of your pores, which again will lead to acne and pimples. I remember my dermatologist she told me, because my face reacted to Dove, she told me to be using the Sunlight soap. Then for a minimum, for like 4 to 8 weeks, she placed me in that Aqueous, I'm telling you, with urea, that CeraVe Aqueous with urea. I applied that one. Then she told me, don't apply anything else. Don't apply anything else. She told me, make this emollient your friend. I used to apply it. If I notice my face is drying, I apply it for like 4 to 8 weeks. Then after that is when she introduced skin actives on my skin after we have repaired. And that's how she managed to stop my breakout. My face was terrible. From here downward, my face was terrible. I wish I'd had those before, the before photos. My face was terrible. So one way of fighting those acne, repair your skin barrier. When you're repairing it, again, there's one thing that people don't understand. You want to fight acne and pimples, but your skin has layers of problems. You have not exfoliated this skin. It is terrible. Skin barrier has problems. Then you go apply a vitamin C. It won't work. Those vitamin C likes a face which is already exfoliated. You have already dealt with your problems. So when you come to apply that vitamin C or vitamin E, it will work. But if your skin barrier is damaged, then you apply it is zero work. And don't forget, when you're going out, apply sunscreen which has zinc oxide. Sawa. Point to note, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just talking from experience that I had with acne and pimples. Sawa. Stay tuned as I bring another video in relation to acne and pimples. Sawa.